Now we come to vapor pressure and cavitation. Again, very important aspects to be considered while we are discussing and we are considering the fluid behavior and properties of fluid and things that take place while we are considering motion of the fluids. It is well established that temperature and pressure are dependent properties for pure substances during phase change process, and there is one-to-one correspondence between temperatures and pressures. At a given pressure, the temperature at which a pure substance changes phase is called saturation, and the temperature is represented as T sat. Sat is abbreviation for saturation. So temperature at saturation point. Likewise, a given temperature at a given temperature, the pressure at which pure substance change its phase is called saturation pressure. So again, then correspondingly, the notation for this will be P sat, sat from saturation and P sat. At an absolute pressure of 1 standard atmosphere, for example, the saturation temperature of water is taken to be 100 degrees centigrade. And so, if we go beyond that or below that, then it is not a saturation point. It has to be 100 at 100 degrees centigrade to be considered as absolute pressure, to be 1. Conversely, at a temperature of 100 degrees centigrade, the saturation pressure of water is 1 standard atmosphere. So when we, the weather people and the other also, when we are using the pressure in the atmosphere, then the yardstick, the baseline is this, that 1 standard atmospheric pressure is considered to be the pressure that prevails at 100 degree centigrades. The vapor pressure PV of a pure substance is defined as the pressure exerted by its vapor in phase equilibrium with its liquid at a given temperature. This is very important. And pressure PV is a property of the pure substance and turns out to be identical to saturation pressure. And therefore, Psat is equal to PV. We must be careful not to confuse vapor pressure and partial pressure. Vapor pressure and partial pressure are two different things, as we will see. We define partial pressure as the pressure of a gas or vapor in a mixture with other gases.